Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 3-slot payphone. This is Richard's equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool 3-slot payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. This payphone has had some work done to it in the past. Someone has removed the coin validator and installed an aftermarket coin chute. And that enables you to put money in this unit and then fall down into the cash box area. And there was a bell installed in the cash box area so that when the coins drop through the hopper and into the vault area, you can hear the coins hit the bell. Now we also want to go through the rotary. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We want to make sure that all the numbers are racking properly. We also want to go through the hook switch. We want to troubleshoot the handset cord, the transmit, and the receive for the handset. We want to rewire this payphone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also want to go through the network and all the wiring and make sure everything is tight. We're going to be installing a modular line port so that Richard can simply walk up to this payphone, plug in any length, any color line cord he chooses, plug right into the modular line port, makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. Now this payphone also has an original style backboard, so that's a cool option. Now this payphone also has an original style bell, so that's a cool option to have. That's a plus. We're going to be going through that bell and the bell circuit. We want to make sure that the bell is ringing. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this payphone. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool 3-slot payphone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We also want to mention that when we troubleshooted the bell, we found that the windings on the coil for the bell were bad, so the coil was replaced. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use that pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. Release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle to the unit like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on the rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Thursday, December 28th. The current time, 11:48 p.m. and the temperature, 27 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Richard and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.